So this is the unboxing of the Aqua Marina mega board. It's 5.5 meters or 18 feet. It's a seven-person one. Newly designed nose with a rocker. So it's got the little bend bit on the nose for extra maneuverability. It's front stainless steel D-ring, cargo, heavy duty PVC ripstop, bungee cord. It's got 13 handholds everywhere. It's got 5 fins. It's got the EVA foam. It's fairly high pressure, 2 high pressure valves. It's pretty cool. Comes with 2 pumps, a carry bag, 5 fins, and honestly, it is. It's almost the size of me, and I'm over 180, so yeah, it's a massive box. It's I think it's it's 27 kg, so it's pretty heavy. Anyway, I'll do a an opening of it. So we'll see what's inside. See what I get. I'll just put the I'm going to be using my my card knife that I got from Wish. Let's just put you down. Right. Okay. So looks like it's quite a big bag. It's a massive bag. It's all fitted in the bag already. There's the pumps. I'll be using electric. There's the pumps. That's a bit tight. There's the pumps. I guess I'll just... There it is. Well, let's see, lugging that down to the beach. Oh my god, looks massive. Well, let's see what's in the box. Oh yeah. See, they don't. In the old days, they used to transport. Used to get glue with it, but they don't. They don't anymore. But another thing I'd say is I'm going to check the valves. The last ones I got, the valves were a bit loose and were leaking, so make sure the valves are tight. Just even if you pump it up a bit. So that's all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fins. I'm not going to even be using those fins. I'm not going to be using any of those fins. So that's all the gear. They'll just be spare. I'm going to use kayak fins. Oh well, let's have a look. Let's sort it out. You see? Massive. Massive. Nice ton. Oh. It's massive. Look at the size. Look at the size. Woo. I'll get it pumped up. Have a look. Weighs a ton. 27 kgs. Yeah, small 30 or something. I don't know. It's so hard to carry. It's really a two-person lift. Anyway, that's the new vessel for the fleet. That's the unboxing of the Aqua Marina Mega. That's all the bits it comes with. Good afternoon, people. This is the Aqua Marina Mega board. It's been pumped up. I've used two pumps, two high pressure pumps. The old Aqua Marina pump and Wave Passion one, which is similar to the 20 psi Aqua Marina pump. I used them it took 27 minutes to pump it up to 8 psi, so I used one for 15 minutes and that one for the rest of the time, so not to overheat the pumps. But I guess I could have used them both at the same time, and just kept it to below 15 minutes so I don't overheat. Yeah, it's a really good board. I've checked around there. There's no leaks around the valves. That's all good. Definitely, 27 minutes to pump up with an electric pump, so it's going to be an effort to pump up by hand. It does come with two pumps, so I guess it's a group effort to get it pumped up. You can see the size of it compared to the car. It's massive, absolutely massive. Anyway, I'll get it in the water for a little splash, see what it feels like. So the Aqua Marina Mega board, it's very stable. I'm finding it's not too, it's pretty maneuverable in the water. It's lovely and stable. It's a lovely big stable platform. I mean, this is really awesome. Awesome size. I'm really impressed with it. It's solid enough, and it really feels good. It take a lot of people. It's a bit hard to maneuver on your own, to carry to the beach on your own. You really need two people to one each side to get it to the beach. Yeah, it's awesome. Looking forward to this summer. Should be to go. Anyway, that's it for the Aqua Marina review. Yeah, if you've got a spare couple of grand, and you've got a big family of people that love paddleboarding, then this would be the board for you. Take care. See you later.